it's Sasa, and today in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I make a display box for my anime merchandise. So I bought this picture frame from Dollarama, and you need to make sure that the frame that you find has a thickness to it, because if it's just the artwork on the window, you won't be able to put any 3D items. So the frame that I got, the window was not attached to the front part, so I'm going to hot glue the corners down. It's difficult to put glue on the entire border and then the window on before the glue dries. So I squish glue onto the corners and I use a knife or any kind of stick to push it underneath. To hold it in place while it cools, I use strong clips that I got from Canadian Tire. In order to attach your items, you're going to need to use a piece of fabric so that you can pierce it with safety pins. Make sure to cut the fabric larger than the backing. I attach my fabric with clear packing tape. I like to plan my layout starting from the bottom and then going up because it's easier to attach the pins that way. And make sure not to put your items on the very edges because it's hidden by the border. And there are many ways to design and plan your layout, so do something that you like. I like to have a variety of buttons, rubber straps, acrylics, and I overlay my items. It's helpful to use curved pliers to attach the safety pins and pins because after the whole board, your fingers can hurt, especially if it pokes you underneath the nail. I use cut up rubber bands to help my frames from slipping in my bookshelf. If you do use this tutorial, please credit me so I can see your displays.